Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's a beautiful day here, and today we're going to do a walk around and a little talk about my 2020 SnoPro. I'm pretty sure it's a 12 by 8.5 foot snowmobile trailer, which you can use for like motorcycles, stuff like that too, ATVs. But first, I got to install something on it to make it a little bit easier to mount get my sled in there. And that is one of these guys. It is a cleat for the super clamp. This is the super clamp. It's really easy. I already installed one because I wanted to make sure I knew how to do it. All I'm going to need is a screwdriver or something like that, and it just gets installed right in the channel, and then you can kind of adjust it to place. I'm just going to put it basically right around there again. So I'm going to put this in so then I can use both spots. I don't have two sleds. Maybe eventually I will. Who knows? But for now, I'm just going to get this in. Alright, before we get into it too much, I'm just going to ask you guys to please subscribe to the channel if you like my videos and you enjoy watching. And we're just going to screw the clamp off. And then get the nut, a rubber washer, a normal washer, and this guy just goes like so. We're going to put it sideways. Yeah. And then we just go rubber washer, washer, and screw it down. We just have to make sure that it's in a locked position in place once it's tightened. Just kind of got to hold it there in the horizontal position. Make sure it's in a good position. And we're just going to, I've even used my ratchet because I couldn't find it. Tighten it to the point where it is sideways like that, and that's how the super clamp grabs it. So that hook goes over, clamps it, and you pull it down. And I'll show you how to use this thing because I have to pull my sled in here tonight anyways, so we'll get into that. But now we're going to go walk around the trailer. Okay, so like I said, this is a 2020 trailer, and it's a SnoPro, and people I bought it off of, Luke's Liquors up in Cape Cod, they had it for like 2.5 years, but it's got a nice back door. Everything is lockable. Full LED lights. Barely used. Got a great deal on it. I don't want this to hit my neighbor's thing. Everything is in great shape, guys. It's just, I couldn't have asked for a better trailer. Everything's so nice and easy. It's a little dirty right now because the last time I used it, we hit 2 snowstorms while driving. The ride up and the ride back were both snowstorms, so that was great. But other than that, I think the trailer weighs about 1,000 pounds. I think the gross vehicle weight is 3,000, just about. So, you know, your light SUVs, stuff like that, can tow it perfectly fine. It is on a 4-pin harness, as you can see here. I might have to replace that at some point. The harness looks a little corroded, but that happens up in the Northeast with salt. It needs a good bath right now, and I also need to undercoat the entire underframe of it. But it also has a nice little front window section. That'll come off. Maybe, there we go. So we can open that out and get a good view inside. Also put some pictures here of the first trailer that I bought. Not nearly as nice as this thing, and huge upgrade on that. The first one I also got a decent deal on, had some new stuff on it, and basically it was just a good flip for this. It worked out really well in my favor that all this was happening at the same time. I basically used that first trailer just to pick up the sled from the dealership, and then after that it's been used in this guy. So we're gonna get the sled in for the weekend today, so I have to move some cars around, pack some stuff up, and then I'll show you guys how A, to load it, and B, how to strap it down. I'll probably still use a ratchet strap in the back just to get like something extra secure. I'm not going to tighten it down or crank it too much because the skis in the front will hold it right in place with that super clamp, because that's what those things are made for. They're awesome, but not much to it. Okay, and the key goes right in. Easy day, guys. But it fits in there perfect, guys. Like, you can't beat it. I scored with this trailer. Big thanks to my friends that hooked me up for this. Alright, guys. So that is the end of the video. That's all she wrote. Thank you for watching. Please, typical YouTube jazz, like, share, comment, and the most importantly, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate the subscriptions, guys. Motivates me to keep on going and honestly keep doing this for you. I appreciate every single one of you. So without further ado, I'll see you in the next video. Gotta keep it short and sweet sometimes. Take it easy, guys.
Yeah, it's that first day of first grade. That cute girl, your third day. That backpack, that snapback you've had since the third grade.